In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart on Asana. Gantt charts are a fantastic way to visualize project timelines, allowing you to schedule tasks collaboratively and ensure everyone is on the same page. Once you're logged in, you're ready to begin setting up your Gantt chart. To get started, navigate to the project or portfolio you wish to visualize. This can be any ongoing project where a visual timeline could enhance your workflow. Once you've entered your chosen project, direct your attention to the Timeline tab. Clicking on this tab transports you to the core area for creating your Gantt chart. In this timeline view, you gain the ability to add tasks directly by simply clicking the Add Task button. It's essential to make sure each task is equipped with both a start and a due date to ensure they appear correctly on your timeline. If you have any tasks that haven't been assigned these key dates, don't worry. They will be conveniently located in the Unscheduled Tasks section on the right side of your timeline. This makes it easy to identify which tasks require further attention. Now, let's talk about task dependencies, a crucial element for visualizing the workflow. Tasks that depend on the completion of others are visually connected right on the timeline. You'll notice gray lines representing non-conflicting dependencies, which indicate an ideal scenario. However, keep an eye out for any red lines. These flag potential conflicts that need to be resolved promptly to keep your project on course. Adding these dependencies is quite simple. You can either drag the connector between tasks or select the Add Dependency option, offering you the flexibility to accurately reflect the true sequence of your project. Sometimes, as work progresses, you'll need to adjust certain due dates. This is effortlessly done by dragging and dropping the tasks to their new positions. Adjusting tasks in this manner will automatically update your timeline, ensuring it accurately reflects the current status. For a deeper dive into a specific task, just click on it to open the Details pane. Here, you can manage and view all aspects related to that task. For those looking to fine-tune their timeline, explore the Timeline options, where you can manage how dependency date shifting affects your schedule. By effectively utilizing Asana's Gantt charts and timeline views, you equip yourself and your team with the tools to plan visually, providing clarity and boosting efficient task management. The timeline feature is a powerful ally that allows you to effortlessly track and adjust your project's progress. And there you have it, a streamlined guide to creating and managing a Gantt chart in Asana. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you effectively manage your projects.